Hello, everybody. Today in this video, I'm going to give you an update on the 100 video challenge that I did in February and share with you what I've learned. If you are brand new to this channel, my name is Anita. I own FDS Creatives. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I help business owners just like you get more visible. Okay, so in March, I worked to do 100 videos, and did I get there? No, I didn't. I got to 77. Okay, and but I still wanted to make this kind of recap video and share with you a little bit of what my takeaways are, and then share with you what I would do differently. If you are an action taker and a business owner, I would invite you to join Video Marketing for Entrepreneurs. It's a free group on Facebook. There I'm able to share a little bit more encouragement and help for you in your business. So join. Okay, so the 100 video challenge. I was super excited to do this at the beginning of February, even though it's slightly a shorter month by like a couple of days. I thought, okay, this is something I could do. And absolutely, it is something that I could have forced myself to accomplish simply to check the box and say that I had done it. However, what I found was that I did become more comfortable in creating video content, and in doing these 77 videos, I was really thinking through and able to gather the data of what videos were really helping my business in some places and what videos I maybe needed to do differently, learning from that experience, seeing exactly what kind of engagement I was getting. So that was super helpful. And what I've learned is that no matter where you are creating video, you want to create consistent video and have clear calls to action. There's definitely a difference in your video when you have a call to action or you don't. And that was something that I knew, but I became a lot more comfortable in doing it. The next thing I learned is it's really fun to challenge myself in this way and do these 100 videos. I believe I'm going to try to do this again coming up soon. And if this is something that you tried, I'd love to hear your experience, because this challenge really helped me to get really specific and thoughtful about how I create content, when I create content, and how much content I really want to create. Now, as we are now in March, which is the last month of Q1, I would love to challenge you to do the 100 video challenge if you have not. Even if you don't get to 100, 77 videos is quite a lot, and I definitely learned a lot from it. And if you're somebody who is thinking, okay, great, but what do I say in my first or next video? I want you to watch the video on the screen. That's going to give you everything you need to know. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.